Hey y'all, welcome into Rhonda's Country Kitchen. I am her husband Russell, and today we are going to do a little bit of more smoking. And y'all know that if you follow with the channel that I'm the one that does the smoking on the channel and the grilling. So today we are going to be smoking up some cream cheese. And I don't know if you've ever heard of people smoking cream cheese before, but a lot of people haven't. And we had a birthday party a couple weeks ago, and our son Daniel, he had smoked some cream cheese at the birthday party, and people was like, "Man, what is this? What is this?" You know, they wasn't sure about what it was, or they hadn't tried it. And then we had several people ask about wanting to do it, so we're gonna do it for a video and show people how it's done. Very easy, very simple, couple of ingredients, not hard to do, and your people will love it. It is kind of a little snack. We pair it with this Rhonda cans, this jalapeno pepper jelly, and it spreads with the cream cheese on a cracker. And y'all, I can't tell you how good that pairs together. It's fantastic.
So good.
Oh man. Anyway, it's just a few ingredients. It's really easy to do. I've got the smoker running out there and getting warmed up. And anyway, I'll walk you through how I do mine, and this is about as easy as it gets. I do have a little issue here with my little cream cheese. Now what I do with mine, I put my cream cheese in the freezer about 30 minutes before I get ready to put it on the smoker. And the reason I do, I want it to get good and hard where it won't like start to melt before you even start to work with it. So it's hard, but what happened is it cracked open. One block cracked when it got frozen. So, but what I do is I take the tip of a knife and I'll score it. So when it gets to melting, it's gonna start to crack open and let them seasonings get down inside of it. Just like that, y'all. And you'll see once that temperature gets to this cheese, it'll start breaking open, and them seasonings from the barbecue rub will start getting down into the cheese itself and just giving it a little bit more flavor. And I score some barbecue like this as well, some fat.
Now everybody thinks it's gonna melt. It doesn't melt.
Well, no, well, if you cook it high enough, it will melt. But we're gonna cook it on 225, and we're gonna cook it for about 2 hours. And you know, I always use Philadelphia most of the time, and never have we had it melt in the smoker or just dissolve or whatever. It stays in a block, and it stays good consistency. It don't break down, and it has fantastic flavor, and it goes well on a cracker. It spreads real good. And anyway, what I use is I've got, most of the time I just use this this honey hog from Meat Church. But I got also back over Christmas, they had them on sale at Publix, and I picked up some of these nuts. Is a pecan rub from Meat Church also. And I'm gonna try it with one block just to see what it tastes like. All right, y'all, we done had a snafu. I'm not the one on this side normally. I'm over there. It's
harder than what it looks.
It really is. She tells me this ain't as easy as it looks, and she's right. It's really not.
No.
So really, what we start with, I went to start the seasoning, and guess what? I forgot my honey. What I do is I squirt a little bit of honey in the bowl, and you don't have to put much in there. You just want to have enough to brush on your cheese. And I'm going to put it in the microwave for about 15 seconds and let it get a little bit more syrupy. And then I'm going to take a brush and brush it on top before I put my rub on. All right, y'all, after 15 seconds, that's what my honey's looking like. Now, this done got real liquidy.
That's what you want.
And I can brush that joker on there. Let me get it on that brush real good. And I'm going to paint it right on top of the cheese. And it's going to help with my seasonings and hold it on.
This is a perfect little appetizer.
Oh, it really is. It goes, man, especially with barbecue.
We do it at Christmas.
Yeah, New Year's, the finger foods at New Year's.
Yes. My little pepper jelly, I've got it's green and red in it, so it was perfect at Christmas. Had those pretty colors going.
All right, let's try this again with the rub. We're gonna put the, wait, I started with the pecan.
Yeah.
I did.
All right.
All right. This one's gonna have rub on both sides. It's gonna have
It's gonna be extra special.
well, I'm not gonna put as much on top because it'll be salty, and I don't want it to be too salty. So I'll go a little bit lighter on the top on this side because I do have it on the bottom on that side.
Yep.
All right, and that one's got the pecan, and we're gonna go with the honey on this one. Double honey.
Yeah.
And we're gonna try to get it on the sides as good as we can. I'm gonna lift it up a little bit, see if I can get it on there. All right. So, just lightly season it. You don't want to over season it because it will get a little salty. The cheese, to me, cream cheese has a little bit of a salty taste anyway. Anyway, we're going to put it in the smoker. It is set. My smoke stick's good and burning. Got the pellets burning. I'm going to put it in there just like I do all my meat. And if you ain't got a smoke stick, y'all, you need to get one. That's another thing. Nobody promotes me to say that. I'm telling you. If you got a pellet grill and ain't got a smoke stick, man, you're missing out because it gives it that smoke flavor. But I'm going to put it in the smoker at 225 for 2 hours. I ain't going to worry about temperature on this stuff. I'm just going to cook it 2 hours. I'm going to take it back. I'm going to set my timer. I'm going to take it back out. And then we'll show y'all what she looks like. And we're going to pair it with this beautiful stuff right here. Oh, man.
Ooh, Lord.
My taste tester is going to be in hog heaven. That's all I can tell you about that. All right, we'll show you what it looks like. Y'all, 2 hours at 225, and this is what we got.
Yummy gummy.
This one was the one that wasn't cracked in the freezer, and this one was the one that cracked open from being in the freezer. But ain't nothing wrong with it. It's gonna spread on a cracker. It might not look pretty, but it'll taste just as pretty. I promise.
It will.
As you can see, it didn't melt. You would think cream cheese would melt, but it don't. Yeah, we're gonna give her a try and see what she tastes like. My taste tester's ready to put the camera down, and yeah, we swapping roles today, y'all. So we'll see what she thinks about it. She got her her pretty pepper jelly here. We're gonna crack the seal on that. Oh, I can't wait! I can't wait to taste it myself. I may have to get involved in that. All right, y'all, let's give it a try. All right, y'all. The ooh. Did I scare you?
You
did. I scare you a little bit?
A little bit.
Got her attention, y'all.
Pop, bam! Right off the bat.
Cream cheese is ready, y'all.
Yummy.
Yeah, we gonna give her a taste. Gonna crack that seal on this pepper jelly. I'm excited, y'all. Ooh!
We gonna pop it. This is yummy.
Man.
Got the little. Smell it. Smell the.
Ooh!
This one's a little heated.
Yeah, got a little seeds floating at the top. Ooh wee!
I've got some mild, and then this one's just a little heated. So, but just enough. Just enough.
Yeah, we're about to find out anyway.
Yeah, well,
taste tester.
We've been eating these jars.
Yeah, we've ate them plenty, y'all. It ain't hot.
It's good.
Yeah,
that
it really is
sweet
good.
Heat with that creaminess.
Oh, and it's got a little bit of the barbecue seasoning and the honey. Oh man, you talk about good together. Woo!
So we'll just dig right in, y'all. Got me some cream cheese,
I
and
can't
it's
tell you. Woo.
Nice and warm. I should have got a different.
Well, let's do that. Hang on 1 second. We'll just go ahead and get.
I'm not gonna double dip inside my little pepper jelly, y'all. There we go. Russell to the rescue. Yummy. I think you need to get one too.
I can do that.
Yum.
What you think? Y'all, I'm telling you,
So
this
good.
is very simple to make. If you smoke and don't have this in your, recipe book, you need to add it. It is
Oh my
absolutely
gosh.
fantastic.
So good.
Yeah, it really is.
You gotta have a little taste too.
All right, well, hook me up
I'm
over
gonna
there.
hook you up.
Ooh, look how creamy that is. Creamy. Ooh.
While it's warm,
Yes.
honey.
Yes.
Yummy. Give that a little.
Oh.
That'll hit your soul.
Right on your soul.
That'll hit your soul, honey. Good. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Make my knees weak, y'all.
Oh, Lord. Hold on there,
Hold
now.
on. Whoa.
Get on up here, Russell.
Woo. Wow.
Hit your soul, not your knees.
Man. I'm telling you, that's great.
It really is
Fantastic.
good. It's some good stuff, y'all.
So Dan recommended the honey. He always adds a little something that like enhances the flavor of stuff.
He's like his mama. He can't leave a recipe alone.
And I'm telling you, most of the time it like takes it up a level.
He does.
And brushing that honey on there, it just gives it a little bit more sweetness. Oh man, and it makes the seasoning all the seasoning stay a little bit better.
Yeah, it binds the seasoning.
It really does. It's like the mustard
on the pork butt.
it really is.
Yep.
Fantastic, y'all. It's a winner.
Give it a try.
Yeah,
for
and it's
real.
simple, really simple.
It is.
Throw it in there for $2.25 for 2 hours, and
especially if you're already smoking something.
yeah, you can throw it right in there. Like a
Oh.
lot of times you cooking at $2.25 for a long period of time anyway, and really you could probably run that at $2.50 and be fine. It won't melt. I mean, I feel, especially Philadelphia, I feel pretty confident that it would not. You might not go the full 2 hours. I would check it maybe after an hour just to make sure. But, an hour's good. As long as it's getting warm and gets where it gets creamy, man.
It's good stuff.
Yeah.
And it was nice to have him on this side.
Yeah.
Y'all, I've been out in the yard doing today.
She's
I'm
been
looking
working hard
awful.
today. She really
looking
has.
awful.
She's worked hard all
Listen,
day.
what you see is what you get. I wasn't doing up for it. But
Well.
I should have did up just a little because this is special.
Well,
it's good.
It's good. It really is good, y'all.
It
Give it a
is
try.
good.
I'm pretty proud of that one. We tried it, I guess, probably this time last year.
Yeah,
it's
been
been a
a
little
while.
minute. We've been cooking them for a while.
It's been a while.
So y'all, if you out there barbecuing this summer, you got barbecue on the grill, or even in we do it in the wintertime. We do it. We'll our Christmas time. I'll throw it out there on the smoker at Christmas. We'll do it for New Year's.
Yep.
It's a great snack on the side, I guess. I don't know
It
what
is.
you call it.
Football season too.
Football season.
Season.
Yeah, great during
perfect.
football season. Yes.
Perfect.
And it doesn't take that long. You just kind of put it in there, set you a timer, and leave it alone. Let it do its thing. You take it out, it's ready. It's not, it's not like something you got to watch for a long period of time.
Yep.
It don't take no time to actually get it prepared. It's easy.
And if you got a big crowd coming over, like I said, for football parties or whatever.
Yes, great, fantastic.
You can do a whole pan of it one time.
Right, you
Just stick it in
do
there
8
and
of
go.
them, and man, people just dig in, and they'll be like, "Oh my goodness!" They think they'll be like, "Oh my goodness, what is this?
That?
How did
What
you do
is
this?"
this?
Exactly. That's
Yeah.
exactly how it was for Dan at that birthday party. Everybody was flipping out, wanting to know all about it. So we decided we ought to do a video about
We
it.
will do it and show y'all so y'all can enjoy it too.
Yep.
And you can buy pepper jelly anywhere.
Yeah, they have them in the grocery store.
In the grocery store. So, but anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching.
Yeah, we
tagging
appreciate
along,
y'all. Yeah.
And loving on us.
And let us know if you know anything about the smoking the cream cheese. Yeah,
if you do yours different, you can do. I'm sure any kind of.
I'm sure you can do it a lot of different ways. I'm sure.
Yeah. But anyway, and y'all, I do want to add something that is not related to your smoked cream cheese.
Yeah.
Y'all, we are partnering with Verawa Network. Miss Valerie reached out to us and just has been wonderful. So look for some exciting new things coming your way. She's been wonderful. She subscribed to my channel and has been kind of watching us along the sidelines. And so we're going to be collaborating and doing some things with her. So,
And their network. Yes.
So Verawa
If you want to go over there and give them a check and check them out.
Yes.
It is a Christian-based Network, and they do a lot of good work.
Yeah.
And we're still getting a lot of information on what they do and how we're going to play a part in working with them. But we're excited about it.
We really are.
Yep.
And thanks to her for reaching out.
Yes.
But anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching.
Yeah, we
tagging
appreciate
along,
y'all. Yeah.
And loving on us.
And let us know if you know anything about the smoking the cream cheese. Yeah,
if you do yours different, you can do. I'm sure any kind of.
I'm sure you can do it a lot of different ways. I'm sure. Yeah.
Yeah. But anyway, thank y'all so much, and until next time.